Our Lady of Lourdes sparkles. In 1858, a poor sickly 14-year-old girl named Bernadette Soubirous saw a beautiful lady in white inside a grotto in Lourdes, France. Between February 11th and July 16th, she received 18 apparitions. The lady wore white with a blue sash and yellow roses on her feet. She asked for prayer penance and conversion of sinners. She requested that a chapel be built. During one apparition, Bernadette was told to dig in the mud, and a hidden spring emerged. That spring still flows today, and millions visit for healing. On March 25th, 1858, the Lady said, "I am the Immaculate Conception." For years earlier, this had been declared a Catholic dogma. In 1862, the Church approved the apparitions. Today, Lourdes welcomes 4 to 6 million pilgrims every year. Bernadette became a nun. She died in 1879 and was canonized in 1933. February 11th is the feast of Our Lady of Lourdes and the World Day of the Sick. A message of prayer, a call to repentance, a place of healing.